Welcome, viewers. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 investment apps designed specifically for gamers in 2025. But first, let's talk about the criteria that make an investment app ideal for gamers. We're looking at user interface, gamification features, and asset diversity. First up, we have Gamer Invest. This app is tailored specifically for gaming assets, allowing for community-driven decisions and social trading functions. Next, we have StockQuest. This app offers a unique approach by incorporating interactive quests that reward users for both learning and trading. Now let's examine CryptoPlay, which lets gamers invest in cryptocurrencies and earn in-game rewards along with exclusive NFT offerings. On to PlayFund. This app focuses on funding game development projects, allowing gamers to invest in indie titles and potentially earn returns. Finally, we have Esports Invest, spotlighting trends in esports investing with real-time data and analytics on gaming teams and tournaments. To wrap it up, these investment apps provide an amazing opportunity for gamers, making investing fun and rewarding. We want to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite investment app, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on gaming and finance.